Hey everyone, welcome back to LifeInTech. Today, we're unboxing the Xreal Air 2 glasses and the Xreal Beam Pro. The Xreal Air 2 glasses have been on the market for about a year now, so many of you might already be familiar with them. They promise an immersive virtual screen experience right in front of your eyes. Excitingly, I also got my hands on the Xreal Beam Pro, which only started shipping to consumers last week. Additionally, my glasses came with the Xreal Kaleido kit, which are essentially textured stickers designed to give the glasses a unique look. However, since the pair I bought are bright red, I think I'll skip using the stickers this time around. On their website, they charge £10, which is around $12 for one color set. Even though they might look nice, they are just stickers. I guess they are giving that option to customize it to make it feel more unique. I'm not going to go into detail about these glasses as they have been covered extensively and I don't want to sound like a parrot repeating what everyone else has mentioned, so here is an overview. These glasses are designed to give you the experience of watching a 130-inch display from about 4 meters away. The glasses use dual Mini-OLED displays with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels per eye and can reach up to 500 nits of brightness. Each display is 0.55 inches, providing crisp and clear visuals. In the box, you get the Xreal Air 2 glasses, a hard shell case, a microfiber cleaning cloth, swappable nose pads, optional prescription lenses, a USB-C cable, and a light shield. The design is lightweight and stylish, suitable for all-day wear. They are slightly more forward protruding than regular glasses but remain comfortable and discreet in your peripheral vision. The refresh rate is another highlight. By default, it's set at 60 Hz, but it can go up to 120 Hz depending on the application. For instance, you can get 90 Hz with Nebula on macOS and Windows, and 75 Hz with Android. This flexibility ensures you get the smoothest possible experience whether you're watching videos, playing games, or working on multiple screens. For audio, the Xreal Air 2 features directional speakers that minimize sound leakage, making them adequate for personal use. However, for enhanced audio quality, they work well with external Bluetooth headphones like AirPods. Connectivity-wise, the glasses have a USB-C port for connection and power. Nebula is an app by Xreal designed to enhance the functionality of their AR glasses. It enables AR features, screen mirroring, and dual screen display, making the glasses useful for extending workspaces and enjoying media. The app includes a 3D media player and an AR browser, offering high-quality visuals and interactive browsing. I managed to buy these brand new for £280 on eBay, which is roughly $360 USD. If you go the official route and buy them directly from Xreal, you'd be looking at around £400, or about $515 USD, so shop smart. The Xreal Beam Pro cost me £189, which is roughly $240 USD, for the 128GB and 6GB RAM variant. In total, these purchases have cost me £469 or around $598 USD. While this is a significant saving, it's worth noting that AR technology is still in its early stages and the ecosystem is not fully mature, with limited apps and some compatibility issues. The Xreal Beam Pro supposedly is a step towards bridging that gap. As I mentioned, these are the Xreal Air 2 glasses, not the Pro or the Ultra. The reason is that I couldn't find the Pros for a similar price and couldn't justify paying the £450 price tag for something that simply adds a button to dim the shades, especially when they already provide a light shield. The Ultra models start at £799, which might sound reasonable compared to the Apple Vision Pro, but given that this technology is still in its early stages and the ecosystem isn't fully mature, I couldn't justify paying that much. The main reason I bought these was because I'm going on holiday and needed something to watch content like The Boys on a plane without worrying about other passengers seeing some of the, let's just say, effed up scenes. As you can see on the glasses, you have light dimming and mode switching buttons. These are related to the LCD screens. The glasses feature buttons for light dimming and mode switching, allowing users to adjust brightness and toggle between display modes like standard, cinema, AR, and gaming for an optimized viewing experience. Now, let's talk about the Xreal Beam Pro. I've opted for the 128GB storage configuration and 6GB RAM model, which cost me £189, or about $240 USD. There's also a 256GB storage and 8GB RAM model available, but since I mainly plan to use this for media consumption, I didn't feel the need to spend the extra £50 or $65 for the additional RAM. Also, I ordered a 1TB SD card for downloading movies to watch offline for my flights. The Xreal Beam Pro is a specialized Android-based device designed to enhance Xreal AR glasses. It features a 6.5-inch LCD touchscreen, a Snapdragon spatial companion processor, and runs on Android 14 with Xreal's Nebula OS overlay. Equipped with dual 50-megapixels 3D cameras, it captures high-quality 3D photos and videos. The device supports multitasking with up to 2 apps displayed in a 3D space and includes dual USB-C ports for connectivity and charging, as well as a micro SD card slot for additional storage. Additional features include a red mode button for screen centering and switching display modes, power and volume buttons, and intuitive spatial control using the device as a pointer. Notably, the package includes only the device itself, with no additional accessories provided. The unit I bought was completely dead and literally took around an hour before I managed to get it charged and turned on, so it gave me a chance to set everything up and play with it overnight. As mentioned earlier, the device operates on Android 14 with Xreal's customized Nebula OS overlay. This combination provides a tailored user interface designed to enhance the AR experience when used with Xreal AR glasses. The device also features 50-megapixels cameras for creating spatial videos and photos, capable of recording at 1080p at 30 fps. They're included to showcase the potential of augmented reality and content creation. This can be really useful for content creators. Imagine cooking tutorials or product demos in 3D. But let's be honest, it feels like a gimmick. Sure, you might take the odd 3D video of your partner, kids, or pets and watch it back years later, but it doesn't have a real use case for everyday life yet. The Xreal Beam Pro aims to bridge the gap between high-end AR experiences and more affordable options. It's powered by a Snapdragon XR2 chip, which is decent but doesn't quite match up to the flagship chips in today's top-tier devices. This means you might experience some overheating if you're running multiple tasks simultaneously, but for basic media consumption and light multitasking, it should perform adequately. Software and optimization play a big role here, and Xreal has done a decent job with their proprietary software. However, I'll reserve my final thoughts on its practicality and performance until after my holiday, when I've had a chance to test it out more thoroughly. I'll also test out the mobile gaming aspect of the Xreal Air 2 glasses, connecting a wireless controller to see if the experience is significantly better. This might be ideal for tech enthusiasts, people living in compact spaces, remote workers, students, media consumers, gamers, and people living away from home. To wrap things up, the Xreal Air 2 glasses are a cool glimpse into the future of AR, but right now, they're priced a bit too high for what they offer. They're innovative, but until they add more features or drop the price, they might not be the best bang for your buck. And hey, I'm heading on holiday for 2 weeks. I got these glasses mainly for entertainment on the plane. If we can hit 1,000 subscribers before I'm back, I'll be giving both items away to celebrate the milestone. Like I said in my previous video, this channel is just the beginning, phase 1 of an exciting journey. It's a hobby now, but if it grows, I have big plans for phases 2 and 3 that will benefit every subscriber in unique ways. Join me, and let's build something amazing together. If you love tech, finance, and AI, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below on what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the LifeInTech community. Let's make this journey incredible together.